to house our vice president. And this house is supposed to cost $13.9 million. $13.9 million. I mean, what sort of a house is this supposed to be? I mean, is the gate made of gold, the pavement of gold, the blocks of gold? A house in Ghana for $13.9 million. I couldn't believe it. How many boreholes could we have done? But yes, this, of course, I'm 100% sure it didn't go through competitive tender. Otherwise, we would have known about it. It was most likely sole sourced. And there it stands, uncompleted at the moment. But this is just an example of many, many, many contracts that we don't have value for money for. The issue of transparency also has to do with national identification. And this issue of national identification, our government is convinced that the national ID scheme will help formalize the economy. We need, in addition for unique identification for individuals, we need unique identification for properties. This morning, for example, we're having a discussion about why the post office was not doing very well. And the question was, you know, we've moved from the days where people only went to the post office to take mail from their post boxes. Now you have to deliver parcels and so on. And if you cannot find the addresses, how do you deliver the parcels? And so it is very, very important for transparency and good governance that Ghana puts together a property addressing system, a postcode system, totally GPS-based digital addressing system. Because every property, thanks to Google Maps and everything, every property has a unique GPS code. That we know. But we have so many different bodies and institutions, Lands Commission, the Survey Department, Minerals Commission, and all of that, Forestry Commission, everybody has their own maps and so on. So we are going to bring everybody together and sit down and forge this property addressing system once and for all. And it will help us as a country if we work in tandem with the national ID system to really formalize our economy.
Ghana, the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and what is also in Sema Tudra about in command and IPP or Democrat. It doesn't rest there, whether 13, 14, or 6 million or 9 million.
Said he wasn't too sure because he was asking about whether I don't know whether it was sole sourcing, and I said it could be. That's what he said, meaning say on yet too sure whether it was the contract sole sourcing or not.
Okay. All right.
I had the 30 million. Yes, that's why I